Now I will explain VLOOKUP. So first, what is the price? It basically means it found the particular value from the table. It returns some specific value from the table or range. So first question is what is the price of the product with product ID P104. So I just use VLOOKUP. Lookup value is 104. This is array. Now lookup value I just use P104 table array. I select whole table. Then in column index number I have to find the price. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So number 4 is the column. Then range approximate match or exact match. I want to use exact match, so I will write false. Then the price of this 104 is 1200. Yeah, so it's 1200. Then find the category of P103. So P103 table array means I have to select full table. I have to find category which is number 3 column. Then exact match. Yeah, so it's furniture. Then get the product name for product ID 110. So it's 110. Here it's table name, product name which is tablet in second column. Yeah, so it's tablet. Then create a drop down for product ID and use VLOOKUP to return the price in the next cell. So first I have to create a drop down for product ID. So here in data validation in list, I will create a drop down for a product ID. Yeah, so it's working. Then and use VLOOKUP to return the price in the next cell. Means for example if I select 105 in this cell, the price of 105 should be shown. So here I will use lookup value which is in drop down ID. Then table array price means fourth column, then exact match. Yeah, so it's 15,000 for this. If I write say 101, then 65,000. 102 we have 35,000. Here we can see 106 which is 4,000. Yeah, so the last is show an error message like not found if the product ID does not exist. So in this I have to use if error. Then we lookup value. Let's say I will give P177 which is not exist. Then table array 4. Yeah, and this is a value if error, then not FOUND found. Yeah, so 1 P177 is not exist, so it's not found. So it is called lookup value.